Approach. Approach. Meaning: a way of dealing with something. The company needs to try a new approach to increase sales. We need to take a holistic approach to solve this environmental problem. Related words: method, strategy, tactic, attitude, perspective, arrangement. Arrangement. Meaning: orderly or planned structure. They reached a business arrangement to merge their companies. Their marriage arrangement was made by their families. Related words: display, order, composition, configuration, setup, blueprint. Blueprint. Meaning: a detailed plan or outline. The architect provided a detailed blueprint for the new office building. The artist showed us the original blueprint for the painting before making any changes. Related words: plan, design, scheme, calculation. Calculation. Meaning: the process of determining something by mathematical or logical methods. The students struggled with the complex calculation in their math homework. The engineer made sure to double-check her work to ensure an accurate calculation. Related words: computation, estimation, analysis, collaboration. Collaboration. Meaning: working together with others. The successful project was a result of collaboration between the marketing and design teams. The research team worked in close collaboration with the academic institution to conduct groundbreaking studies. Related words: cooperation, teamwork, partnership, creation. Creation. Meaning: something created. The museum exhibited some of the artist's most famous artistic creations. Some religious groups believe that the world was a divine creation. Related words: innovation, invention, genesis, production, artistry, deception. Deception. Meaning: act of deceiving or misleading. The detective used her skills to detect deception in the suspect's story. The researcher conducted a study on deception detection techniques. Related words: fraud, trickery, duplicity, misrepresentation, dishonesty. Design. Design. Meaning: a plan or drawing produced to show the look and function of something before it is built or made. She studied graphic design in college and now works as a freelance designer. Our company hired a web design firm to create a new website for us. Related words: graphic, architecture, engineering, art, user experience. Formulation. Formulation. Meaning: creating or developing a plan or strategy. The company spent months perfecting the chemical formulation for their new cleaning product. The government committee was responsible for policy formulation in the education sector. Related words: Formulation. Preparation. Composition. Foundation. Foundation. Meaning. Base or basis, the underlying support or basis for something. The new CEO worked tirelessly to lay the foundation for a successful future. The company's success was built on a solid foundation of hard work and dedication. Related words. Base. Groundwork. Footing. Cornerstone. Goal. Goal. Meaning. Desired outcome. His ultimate goal is to become a successful entrepreneur. She worked hard and finally achieved her goal of running a marathon. Related words. Objective. Target. Ambition. Mission. Aspiration. Graph. Graph. Meaning. A diagram representing a set of data values through connected points or lines. Please bring a sheet of graph paper to class for the activity. The line graph clearly shows the upward trend in sales over the past year. Related words. Chart. Plot. Diagram. Innovation. Innovation. Meaning. The introduction of something new. The company is investing in technological innovation to improve their products. The company's product innovation resulted in increased sales. Related words. Creative destruction. Improvement. Creativity. Invention. Disruption. Intention. Intention. Meaning. A plan or purpose. He took a moment to formulate his intention before speaking. She expressed her intention to pursue a career in medicine. Related words. Purpose. Motive. Objective. Desire. Aim. Map. Map. Meaning. Visual representation of an area. We need a roadmap to successfully launch this new product. We hung a world map on the classroom wall. Related words. Compass. Atlas. Legend. Scale. Cartography. What is the meaning of the word? Innovation. The answer is D. The introduction of something new. What is the meaning of the word? Design. The answer is A. A plan or drawing produced to show the look and function of something before it is built or made. What is the meaning of the word? Goal. The answer is A. Desired outcome. What is the meaning of the word? Map. The answer is B. Visual representation of an area. Which of the following word means base or basis, the underlying support or basis for something? The answer is D. Foundation. Which of the following word means a way of dealing with something? The answer is D. Approach. Which of the following word means visual representation of an area? The answer is D. Map. What is the meaning of the word blueprint? The answer is D. A detailed plan or outline. Which of the following word means working together with others? The answer is D. Collaboration. Which of the following word means a plan or drawing produced to show the look and function of something before it is built or made? The answer is B. Design. Which of the following word means act of deceiving or misleading? The answer is A. Deception. Which of the following word means desired outcome? The answer is A. Goal. Which of the following word means the process of determining something by mathematical or logical methods? The answer is A. Calculation. Which of the following word means a detailed plan or outline? The answer is B. Blueprint. What is the meaning of the word arrangement? The answer is B. Orderly or planned structure. What is the meaning of the word foundation? The answer is C. Base or basis, the underlying support or basis for something. Which of the following word means a plan or purpose? The answer is A. Intention. What is the meaning of the word formulation? The answer is B. Creating or developing a plan or strategy. What is the meaning of the word collaboration? The answer is D. Working together with others. Which of the following word means the introduction of something new? The answer is D. Innovation. Which of the following word means orderly or planned structure? The answer is D. Arrangement. What is the meaning of the word approach? The answer is B. A way of dealing with something. Which of the following word means a diagram representing a set of data values through connected points or lines? The answer is A. Graph. What is the meaning of the word creation? The answer is C. Something created. Which of the following word means creating or developing a plan or strategy? The answer is C. Formulation. What is the meaning of the word graph? The answer is B. A diagram representing a set of data values through connected points or lines. Which of the following word means something created? The answer is A. Creation. What is the meaning of the word calculation? The answer is C. The process of determining something by mathematical or logical methods. What is the meaning of the word intention? The answer is B. A plan or purpose. What is the meaning of the word deception? The answer is A. Act of deceiving or misleading.